Well, howdy, partner. Did you know your dog might love you more than a juicy steak? Yup, science says when dogs see their owners, their brains light up like fireworks on the 4th of July, even more than when they see food. So next time your pup's wagging that tail and staring at you like you're a plate of ribs, remember, that's love, not lunch. You ain't just their owner, cowboy. You're their whole dang world. Now go give that furball a belly rub and show some love back.
I imagine if I